welcome to CJY Money Entertainments. If you've never been to my channel before, I'm CJ. Hi, honeybees. That's what I call my subscribers. And this box came from a honeybee, a local honeybee, and I don't know what's inside, but I think I have to find out. Whenever you see a box on this channel, you will definitely see my knife. That's my dog in the background barking at everybody and everything. So don't pay her any mind. Okay, let's see what's inside. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. It's another box. I get a little too happy with the knife. Let's see. Wow. There we go. This is a rechargeable multi-purpose massager. It provides temporary fast relief for sore muscles, joints, stress-related muscles tension. It has 2 speeds. It's 3D adjustable position and a 4 massaging surface. Karen and Connie, thank you so much. They are my awesome local honeybees. If you don't know, on my channel, when I get ready to do anything that's tech, I always read the instructions first. Saul Green's massager that I'm showing. Right here is where you charge it. And I had to charge it for 12 hours. But the charger lasts a very long time. It's been charged now for about a week, even with use. Right here is the high, low, and off. It's really like no medium. Over here is really cool because you push to adjust. And you can adjust this on an angle, which is great. You have 1, 2, 3 angles. This is the straight, and then the other 2. What also is really cool with this is that it's movable. So right here, it's a spring, and you're able to turn it even in whatever position that you have. Over here, what I like is it's got numerous bumps for deep massages. So you have this one right here, which is the straight, and then over here you have the knobs right here. You also have this head, and this head right here is pretty soft. It's not very soft, but it also has knobs here. So if you have to get ahead and do that shoulder, and if you notice, it still moves back and forth. Right here is the little light that turns on. And remember, this is at Walgreens. Throw your likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button because you want to be a honeybee. Honeybees!